So, Buddy doesn't really know what to do.
Oh, it's just a puppy.
Ow, Buddy. That's Bella.
Alright, buddy, down.
Yeah. No. That's Bella. That's your new little sister. Yeah.
Buddy. Easy. No.
He wants love too. There you go. Mommy love on you, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Be easy. He's like, I don't know what to do with it.
You just gonna whine at it?
Yeah. And if she whines, he'll whine. That's all he's done since I've been home. When she whines, he whines. And then when she stops, he'll stop. I guess he gave up.
Good boy. Yeah, that's his sister. I mean, y'all aren't really brothers and sisters, but that's like your roommate.